People, please understand that I tried to make content. I have so many videos, hundreds of miles, literally, of footage that just got destroyed because the Insta360 1R camera, it overheats, freezes, and corrupts the files so it doesn't save. It's very annoying because I've had literally 15 review videos that I attempted to shoot, and then by the time that I was done, it was frozen. And like, you can't really check because you're driving while you're doing these things, so you can't really, you know, like stop, especially the way that I was doing it because I was on the highway. You can't stop and like look over because, you know, you'll die or crash, especially when you're going as fast as I was going, the speed limit. But yeah, I'm gonna make another attempt yet again tonight to get real pulls and stuff on camera. Like, I've done so many. I've used so much gas, and I've attempted it so many times, and every time the footage just does not save. Oh my god, there's all types of freaking bugs all over my shoe. Like, goddamn, I know the Louis Vuitton is nice, but damn. Hold on. The vibes, like Louis. You know the vibes. Louis everything. Not really, because I'm broke, but I wish it was Louis everything. But anyhow, people, I'll give you guys another cold start because there was one in the clip that was on my phone, so I'll be putting that before, but you know. Oh, forgot to. YouTube loves cold starts, especially E85 cold starts. The car is super dirty, by the way, because it rains and all that, so you know it's hard to keep clean. But the car is beautiful. Like, look at that. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm super annoyed because the footage just never saves. I had 2 driving videos with my dad, 1 driving video with my uncle, and 15 review videos. And all that has to get done over again. So, yeah. And then on top of that, the boost gauge still has not come in because USPS is delaying the package. It was supposed to be here Monday. Today's Wednesday or Thursday. I have no idea. But it's not here. So that's holding up videos. And that's holding up future content because I have to get it installed. Or have to install it. And then I have to, what's the word? I have to test it and go through the features and make sure everything works. And then I also have to do the meth kit, which I'm going to be doing after that. And then I'm also going to be doing testing the meth kit. And then there's dyno stuff that I have to do. So there's a lot of things that need to happen, and the boost gauge needs to come first. So we just gotta wait. And I'm sorry, because I really want this stuff too, because it's content that I want to make and it's stuff that I want to have, but can't do it thanks to USPS. Before it was FedEx, now it's USPS. So yeah, it's just delays on top of delays on top of delays, and it's super annoying because it's holding me up. But I'm gonna try and double upload today. If anything, I'll just do like a super short clip of like a condensed version of the reaction and review and pulls and everything like that, so I can actually have the camera not overheat. And then if anything, I'll just double upload this video on the next one. But the next one will probably be like sometime in the middle of the night, because I can't go and do anything like that until nobody's really on the road. So yeah, the plans are P3 gauge, AMF kit, side skirts, dyno, review video, getting my dad to do a ride along again. Hopefully getting my 2 uncles to do ride alongs and stuff like that. And then yeah, there's just a lot more from there. Because I'm going to be trying to get a couple more things. Even though I said I wasn't going to be spending any more money, I'm seeing a lot of deals pop up. So I'm probably going to have to just, you know, buy it. But I saw a couple things that I really want. And if I can get them, I will. And then I'll install them and you guys will see that. Because it'll make the car look really cool. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm literally like 9 subscribers away from 3,000. So let's get there. Let's do the giveaway. The giveaway might be a little different because I may be giving somebody local the side skirts, and then I may be giving away 2 gimbals and then 50 bucks or whatever. And then yeah, but whatever, I'll be updating you guys on that when the 3K gets here, and I'll be letting you guys know how to do it, how to enter and do everything like that. So you already know. Oh, I can actually do it this time, even though it's not the same amount, but it's the thought that counts, you know. So give me 1 second. I hate having big hands. So, like I always be saying in these videos, drink water, motherfuckers.